We're doing your hair today.
Yes.
So is there anything that you struggle with?
Consistency. No two wash days are alike. I struggle with the weather actually. I don't know what it in summer. My hair was actually like yours as a child.
Oh.
And I went on straightening it every single day because I never knew how to take care of it.
Yeah.
Right? So
Yeah.
it's been like a little over 2-3 years now, I want to say, that I've like got into a curly routine.
Oh. Your hair is already so soft. And this is no product hair?
Love it.
No products?
Hey, I'm Liz, a curly hairstylist and coach. Here's a sneak peek into what really happens during my one-on-one in-person sessions, where every curl is seen, heard, and shaped with intention. When I cut curly hair, I don't just cut for shape, I cut for lifestyle. This is a dry curly cut done on real texture, where I can see exactly how the curls live and move. Every section is intentional. I'm thinking about volume, balance, definition, and most of all, how easy it'll be for her to style it at home. Because a good haircut should make your life easier, not harder.
That's what I usually do.
Yeah.
But I don't feel this side gets too flat. Because I think I sleep on it.
We added some layers.
Yeah.
See? So there's a lift over here. And then if you're going out, you could like, or in your meetings, blah, you can put a clip here. So it
Okay.
falls down pretty like this. Right?
Yeah.
And then do the Kim Kardashian thing, okay? It's like what they do is they always have only one side in the front and the other side at the back. So that way you look at any angle, it looks great.
Okay.
So this is one way and the other way is on the other side. And you should be like changing sides.
Okay.
Just to train your hair to go in different ways.
Uh,
Or it will just learn to be in one place.
Yeah.
So here we could add a few layers actually. Yeah, that's why it was longer. We need some layers.
I can still see a little curl.
Let me see.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
See? So you can
That
just-
makes such a difference.
So you can do the same thing here also.
Okay.
Clip just to clean it up.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can also wear it in the middle. So the cut is such a way that you can wear it different ways.
Ooh. Okay. Yes.
Right? Pretty good.
I like this. I think this is going to be a new one.
Yeah. See? It has that rounded shape.
Yeah.
And this is without any products. So you look like this without any product.
I think I need to just leave my hair
Yeah.
because I usually just tie it in a bun.
Oh,
And then
the bun life.
That's me.
It's so pretty. Like even without products, it's pretty. So let's wash it.
Okay.
Starting off with the Maintain Moisturizing Shampoo. This one has protein. Okay. Fine hair generally does well with protein, right? This shampoo you can use it like midweek.
Okay.
So let's wash this out and
Okay.
come back and then
Okay.
we'll show how to style.
Okay.
We rinse the shampoo out. Now this is your clean slate hair. We're gonna go in with the multi-purpose conditioner. It's multi-purpose because use it in different ways, okay? So it's like you don't have to buy 3 products. You can buy 1. This is how much you should use if you have fine hair. I think I took too much. Half of that, okay? And then remember to emulsify. It expands. These hair products are like so concentrated. You need to use less and then work it in your hair.
Initially, I would just put product and like go about with my day, but then I realized my hair used to take like good 5-6 hours to dry. And then I was like, no, I'm doing something wrong. And then I got a diffuser and I would diffuse it, but it still wouldn't dry.
So I want to show you an easier method.
Okay.
What we did was we took the conditioner, the
Yes.
multi-purpose one,
Yes.
and we worked it in your hair.
Yes.
We're gonna rinse this out. We're not gonna leave any creamy thing in your hair.
Okay.
Because of their texture, it's
Yeah.
better that you have less and less product.
Okay.
So you get more and more volume. But rinse out just enough. Like don't rinse all of it out. Just to lock in. So now you don't have to do anything.
Okay.
No brushing, no finger coiling. This is freshly washed and conditioned hair. We left a tiniest bit of conditioner in. We didn't rinse everything out. At this point, what you do is you remove the excess dripping water. So it's not dripping anymore, but you still see the curls. If you have fine hair, low density hair, you can do either or. Don't do both. There's no need. So if you do the multitasking conditioner, use it like a leave-in or rinse it out and then style over it. Or you can just, after shampoo, you can use the curl cream and then style over it. And by styling, I mean like a mousse. So a mousse is what holds your curls. So we'll just take 2 pumps of mousse. Now we're gonna style with the volume gel. So this is for someone who wants volume, hold and definition. That's it. Okay, so we scrunch this side.
Smells so good.
So we did the work with the conditioner and now we're just letting the mousse and the gel hold this. You want to scrunch in different directions and you're scrunching to reinforce the texture that you have. So now we're gonna dry this. I'm gonna apply a little bit more mousse.
Okay.
Just to speed up that drying time and also to get more volume. And the good thing about this mousse is that you can use it just alone in your hair.
Oh my gosh. What? I love this.
Really?
Yeah. Like, look at this. And we haven't even like, okay, so usually when I get this,
Yeah.
is when I finger coil.
Did we finger coil?
That's what I'm saying.
We just scrunched.
No, that's lovely. I love it.
Right?
Yeah.
Quick recap of what we did. First thing what we did was a moisturizing shampoo and rinsed it out. Then we used the Maintain multi-purpose conditioner, rinsed out the creamy thing. We did the mousse. So the mousse we did it twice. Once at wet hair and we set it with diffusing, and halfway through drying we put some again to speed up the drying time.
Yeah.
So as your hair dries, because you use a mousse, it will continue to evolve and expand and give you that volume you need. And then we ended the routine with volume gel.
Hardly used anything.
Yeah, barely.
I love it.
Right? Is there anything that you struggle with?
Consistency. No 2 wash days are alike.
She came in frustrated, like so many of us, unsure how to manage her curls, tired of guessing products and using random things, and afraid of another bad haircut. We started with a dry curly cut, and then I walked her through exactly what her texture needs, how much product, how to apply, and why it matters. This isn't just a haircut, it's coaching, it's clarity, and it's finally feeling confident with your curls without overcomplicating it.
Usually I'm just used to like perfect haircut, like it's really short.
Yeah.
But if it's short, and I was like, well, I don't know. I'm like, I'll just go to a straightener. And he's like, no. Because he likes curly hair.
No tools, no finger coiling, no manipulation. Like your hair is so naturally pretty and easy. Don't need to complicate your routine.
I'm excited.